Okay, Chapter 10, 7A, cash receipts. So we've gone through kind of 3 steps. We've looked at journalizing sales, so we made the sales. Then we had a situation where people returned stuff, so we had to do the sales return allowance. And now we're going to do the journal entries for people paying us for what they owe us. So on page 384, 10-7A, we're going to journalize the cash receipts of the following transactions. So on July 6th, it says that James Adler made payment on account $643. Well, anytime anybody makes payment on account, that means they're paying us cash. So we're going to increase our cash for $643. But because he's paid us, he no longer owes us the $643, so we're going to credit our accounts receivable, and we're going to further credit his specific account, J. Adler, showing that he, in particular, no longer owes us that $643. On the 10th, we had cash sales for the week. They were $2,320. So in this particular situation, we didn't have to deal with any accounts receivable or any specific customers. When people come in and pay us cash, we don't have to record who they are because we don't need to keep any record because they don't owe us money. They simply buy it, pay us cash, and they leave. So on the 10th, we had total cash sales. We received cash in the amount of $2,320, and it was all for revenue. So we will credit our sales account for the $2,320. On the 14th, Betty Havel made payment on account. She made payment. She's coming in or sending us a check for $430. So we're going to debit and increase our cash account. And then we need to credit or decrease the accounts receivable and her specific account to show that she no longer owes us that $430. On the 15th, J.L. Board made payment on account, $117, same thing as the 14th. He's sending us or bringing in $117, so it's going to increase our cash. It's going to credit our accounts receivable and then further credit his specific account to decrease both of these to show that he paid us so he no longer owes us. Then again on the 17th, cash sales for the week. People coming in and simply paying cash, $2,237. So we increase our cash and we increase our sales. So again, in the next assignments that you're going to have to do, you're just going to have to take these 3 examples and it's going to combine them. It's going to kind of put them all together. You're going to have people come in and buy stuff, then they're going to return it, then they're going to pay you cash, but you're going to have to be able to refer back to calculate how much cash they're going to pay you. So this individual may have returned $200 worth, so you would have to subtract out that $200 that he paid you.